Would you believe me if I said I got hit by an airplane while walking? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, anything seems possible. Last month, a private jet, Hawker 800, crashed near a Moroccan airport. Only 3 crew members were on board. They were all lightly injured. But here is the twist. A man claims he got tangled in the plane's wires while guarding his sheep and was dragged by them. Says he never even saw the airplane. He looked totally fine when speaking to the press, yet he's asking for compensation for himself and his sheep. Honestly, something doesn't add up. What do you think? Make sure to follow for part 2.